The Fort Bend County Library System is celebrating a relaunch of its services. Since March, ABC 13 has been telling you about issues at the library. Our reporting revealing a massive cyber attack that crippled the system.
While people were celebrating the relaunch, library leaders made no mention of just how much it really cost to get those services restored. ABC 13 Signatario got the documents which revealed how much it cost taxpayers millions of dollars.
You can't miss the colorful display outside of Fort Bend County Libraries, letting people know the services are back online. But in order to make it happen, it took a lot of time and money. Documents we received show it cost taxpayers millions of dollars. Fort Bend County wants neighbors to know its libraries are back open for business. This was the scene at relaunch events held at different branches just days ago. But the celebration is confusing to some.
I was like, well, I hope you're open. Like, what's going on? I didn't know y'all were closed even.
I was confused on why it was now open.
The libraries weren't closed, but their systems were offline for months. In February, the library director said a cyber incident took place. Emails we received revealed what the IT director called the largest cyber attack in the county's history. Today, Wi-Fi, computers, and library card services are back. To make it happen, we asked how much money it took. The documents we received show the price tag was nearly $6 million.
I think that's good. I mean, there's a lot of taxpayer money going into a lot of worse things.
It's a lot, especially in this economy. It's a lot.
The documents we got from the county shows how the money was spent. About $1 million went on new equipment, $3.8 million on software, and another $1 million on new IT personnel. To pay for it, the documents show they used federal and county tax dollars. Judge KP George told ABC 13 the cyber attack was a major challenge that required a major investment. IT experts told us months ago this wouldn't be cheap.
Now there's so much to catch up on that it's very time consuming. It's going to be expensive.
Documents we obtained from record requests show cyber attackers entered through an open system. The emails also show library staff had asked for years to upgrade its security. We asked how much it would have cost to upgrade the system before this attack, but the library director didn't say. A multi-million-dollar fix that experts say could have been prevented.
Having routine maintenance completed and having that proper cybersecurity hygiene program in place and focusing on this would have certainly helped.
The county didn't just spend millions of dollars improving its security. It also made changes here at the library. Prior to the attack, the library ran its own IT department. Now county officials say that the library is under the county IT department's umbrella.
And Nick, before we let you go, you just talked about how much money was spent rebuilding. What about those relaunch parties that you mentioned? Any idea how much money was spent there?
All the libraries had one of these relaunch events last week. There was food, giveaway, decorations. We asked who paid for all of this. The library director told us that some of the stuff was donated, but still the library ended up spending about $380 on these events. Relaunch parties that were brought on after county IT officials and their emails say were years of security neglect that led up to that cyber attack.